Hey, gang, it's Earl to the rescue. When it comes to repair on cars or interior house paints or exterior house paints or chemicals you use in your home, floor cleaners, floor polishes, I like to help people. I'm age 69 and over years and years and years. I've lived alone now for 18 and a half years. And the things that I have learned about indoor house, oh my gosh, because I have a large house. Where does all the filth come from? Oh my God. The best way to clean walls in a house when they start getting crappy? Go to AutoZone or I don't know, maybe I'm sure Walmart sells them. Buy a car wash brush. The brush is about this wide, on a pole. Just use a car wash brush on your damn walls, you know? And then, if you want to dry it off, just don't get it real wet when you want to dry it off. Just throw a towel over the car wash brush and go up and down with that. There you go, people. There you go. And you can either dilute some bleach with water, like a half cup of bleach for walls, a half cup of bleach with 2 gallons of water in a bucket, okay? To clean your walls with. All right, for floors and kitchen sinks and stove islands like I have, best way to clean that and refrigerators, appliances. Quit wasting money on Fabulosa and all these products. You're making an ass fool out of yourself. The best thing to use? Bleach. Just use bleach. Put it in a spray bottle, and spray bleach on the front and sides of your refrigerator, and then just wipe the crap off. You can get a towel damp and squeeze it out in your sink. There you go. That's about quit you wasting money on all these products when you can do the same damn thing with bleach or bleach diluted into water. Same thing for mopping floors, like for floor cleaner. It can be on tiles or even wood flooring. You just have to be careful how much bleach you use, and it'll clean your floors. There's no problem to it. Now, as far as a floor polish to make it shiny, okay, I've got wood flooring in my house, hardwood floors. My house was built in 59. I just ordered a gallon of Zep hardwood floor shiner. It's called to shine. It's not Zep cleaning chemical, but it's Zep floor shine or shine. Okay. You just simply pour that out in an area and then take a damp mop and just go back and forth, go over 'em, and try to go with the grain of the wood. There you go. Da-da. Now, I haven't tried the Zep yet. I just ordered some from Amazon, a gallon. Cost me 29 bucks and some change. All right. When it gets there, it's supposed to do to be here, free shipping, March, uh, May 1st. Okay. I'll let y'all know how it turned out. Okay. But if not, I've got other ideas. I might just use the old homegrown methods. Pour some damn vegetable oil on it and then wet mop it. Whatever. But this is about bug sprays and fly sprays. Here's something I have learned. I learned it absolutely the hard way because all of my family, they've died off. They've already croaked, man. Here's something I have learned. Don't ever, ever, ever of any brand, whether it be Raid or Hot Shot in spray cans, don't buy it if it says fly spray. Because you know what? It works half-ass, but not very good. It won't kill many flies. You'll keep seeing them. If you want to kill flies, and I've learned this the hard way over like about 12 years ago, I learned this. If you want to kill flies, ant and roach killer. Ant and roach killer. That's how you kill damn flies. Listen to me, people. If you have fly problems, use ant and roach kill, and it'll kill them. That's how you get rid of flies. It sprays in a mist in the air, you know. And a can this size, how many ounces we got? 1 pound, 1.5 ounces. No, yeah. Okay, net weight 17.5 ounces, 1.5 ounces. Hell, I don't know. I think this is a 17-ounce can, or whatever. $5.60 for a can like this. But this is how I get rid of damn flies. And it also kills spiders and roaches. This, it doesn't have to be in the name of Raid. No, I'm sure even Hot Shot, sells ant and roach killer. Make sure it says ant and roach killer, kills damn flies. But fly killer in itself, it won't get rid of them. They'll just keep coming back, coming back, coming back, coming back. Ant and roach killer. I keep stressing that over and over because I want you people get it in your head. I know what I'm talking about. I've learned this shit the hard way over time. Okay? Oh man, what else? What else? That's mainly it. The main purpose of the topic is I was thinking about this ant and roach killer because I'm thinking about, man, what about all the other people that don't know about what I know? And I've learned this the hard way from experience, man. I've learned it the hard way. Fly killer don't do shit. Ant and roach killer will kill those damn flies. That's how to get rid of those bastards. I think they're from hell, personally. I can't believe God would make something that's that pestifying. Ugh, aren't they horrible? But also, quit wasting money on all these damn cleaning products, people. Bleach, bleach, people, bleach, bleach and water, bleach and God blessed water. That's the answer, and that will clean this stuff. Okay, what else? Remember, what goes around comes around. You reap what you sow. Now, this is a different subject, but life is spiritual. This is something I made 69. People that did me wrong in the past when I was a child, even when I was adult, that died for whatever reason, most of them were older, so they have passed on before me. They paid dearly for every bit of the crap they did to me as a child, and even people that did me dirty as an adult. In this life, you reap what you sow, not only in this life, but after you pass away, die. What you're going to meet on the other side, people, you're going to get back exactly what you did to other people and what you did in this life. There you go. And the only answer is Jesus Christ, our Savior. Okay? But anyway, I love you all if you're good people. And this video will help a lot of people if they listen to what I'm telling them. Okay? Hopefully, I didn't leave anything out. Yeah, what else? What else? What else? Because I want to be sure y'all get everything, my experience. I want to share it with people. Okay, I want to share it with people. Okay, that's it for right now, unless I can think up another way to bother y'all. I mean, help y'all.